Hello everyone. In today's activity, we are going to make a Newton's disk. It's a very interesting model which works like a spinning toy. What happens in Newton's disk is there are 7 colors of rainbow, which is VIBGYOR, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. These are the 7 colors of rainbow. When they mix together, it creates a color white basically. So that was been discovered by Newton. And to make Newton's disk, we need materials like there's a plastic sheet which is there, and we're going to use this total 14 fraction of disk that we have, and we're going to use some colors to color this out, like 7 colors of rainbow. We have some glue here, we have a two-side tape, we have a bottle cap, and we have a marble, and then we're going to have a scissor. So first of all, what we will do is we will just color this disc out, and we'll also cut this part. So which I've already colored it, it's ready. And I'm going to simply just stick it over here at this point. I'm going to simply stick it here on this particular disc. But before I stick it, I'll just have to make a hole in the center. So to make a hole, I'll just simply use a pencil, poke it inside the center, and easily a hole will be made. Just like this. So the hole is made. And then I can use scissor a little bit to extend the hole a little, because the marble should be able to fit inside. And then simply I'll apply some glue on the disc. Here we have a hole, and I'm going to apply some glue here on the disc, and then I'll just simply stick it. After sticking it, I'll again have to make little hole here in the center. So let's just stick it first, and then we will make the hole. I'm going to take a glue, apply the glue on the back side of the disc, colored disc, and we just apply the glue properly. So it is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. These are the 7 colors of a rainbow. A very interesting activity for children, and they love to spin it, because something that is happening is magical for them, and which is ideally called as illusion. Illusion means आंखों का धोखा. That means जो दिखता है वो होता नहीं, और जो होता है वो दिखता नहीं. That is what magicians keep on doing, right? Something that they do is some actions that they do, they are so quick, and we feel that something magical is going on, but there is nothing like magic. It is all illusion that is happening. And then simply again, I'll just make sure I'll use this pencil, and I'll just make sure I get a hole here exactly the same way. Perfect. So I've got a hole again in the center of the disc. Now simply we'll try to push this marble inside from the back side, here from the back side. And if it is not going, we can again, try to extend the hole, use the scissor, extend the hole, and let us try to just get the marble fixed inside. Okay, so it is extended, and I'm sure the marble should go inside now. Okay, half of the marble should probably go inside, and we should be good enough. Yeah, perfect. So half of the marble has gone inside, and then a part of it is coming out. We're good to go. And now here on this particular part, I'll apply two-side tape here and here, and we'll make like a holder using the bottle cap, so that children can spin it very easily. So I'll take some two-side tape. I'll stick it over here and here on both the sides. You can also stick it on both the sides to give it a more strength. Right now, I'll just simply stick it at both the sides, just like this, here and here. And then simply we use a bottle cap and stick the bottle cap. Just press it nicely. Perfect. So our Newton's disk is ready, everyone. And now we're going to try to spin it. And when it spins, we will see a white color forming together is what we're going to see. So it's going to be a very interesting activity for children. So let's try it out. So something like on a table, you should try it out, or maybe something on a flat surface, you should try this out. I'm going to try this out here on the book, so all of you can see it also. And I'm going to spin it, hold this, and then simply try to spin it. See the way beautiful it spins. we are able to see a white color forming out of it. See everyone, again, I'm going to spin it. Wow. This is amazing for children because all the 7 colors are mixing together and what we are seeing is a white color. Very beautiful activity. Must try this out with children. If you have any questions, any doubts, please put down in the comment section. Thanks everyone for watching. Thank you.